What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with $0. You don't need any money to do this, and this is perfect for beginners. And the best thing about this method, guys, is there's unlimited opportunities to make money with this method, and we're going to be tapping into a huge market with these millions of people, and you can go and make money doing this particular method. And I'm making over $300 per day doing this exact method. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. And the best part, like I mentioned, you don't need any money to do this, and it's actually quite easy to do once you understand the concept and understand how this all works. And I'm doing this right now today, and I'll show you exactly how to get this done. So make sure you smash that like button, guys, tap that notification bell, remember to subscribe so you know when my next video comes out, and we'll jump in and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be tapping into something that's major, huge, massive, and there's a lot of people in this industry. Now, we're not talking about starting blogs, but I want you to read these stats before we get into this method. How many blogs are online? There are over 500 million blogs online. There are 4.4 million blog posts that are posted daily online, and over 400 million people read blogs every single month. That's incredible. So what I'm going to teach you in this video, guys, is how to go out and get a piece of this pie, a piece of the action. You can get just a little bit of this and you can make very good money doing this method. And here are some earnings, guys, of me doing over $300 per day with this, getting $110 in commissions, 110, 110, 110. Every single day I'm getting these commissions. Now, what I'm talking about in this method, guys, is something that's really easy to do. And what we're going to be doing is going out and providing value to people, and we get an affiliate commission. So one thing that everybody needs when they start a blog is hosting. They need to host their blog somewhere. And what we do, guys, is we go out and we go to these hosting companies, and we can actually sign up as an affiliate, and we can go and make money doing this by recommending these products to people. Now, guys, you don't have to show your face or anything like that. I'll show you how to do it properly. But I've actually gone out and done this, and I've ranked some YouTube videos and got traffic from YouTube. And that's one of the main traffic sources I'm using to go out and get these commissions. So what I do, guys, is I signed up to Bluehost, where I get $65 per sign up. But you'll see that I'm actually at 110. That's because I bring a lot of volume to Bluehost, and I bring them a lot of customers. So the more you bring to them, the higher your commission gets over time, guys. So what's the best way to go out and actually do this and utilize this and actually go out and make money? Well, first, what you want to do, guys, is sign up to 3 hosting platforms. I recommend Bluehost, SiteGround.com, and iPage.com. And I'll explain to you why you want to do this in a second. The next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to go and create YouTube videos that have value, and you don't have to show your face, guys, or anything like that, all right? We're going to go and create videos based on these particular topics, but we'll get back into this in a second, and I'll kind of explain to you how this all works. But what I do want to kind of show you is a video here. This person doesn't show their face at all, but they are recommending hosting platforms to people that want to start a blog. Remember, guys, if there's more than 500 million blogs online right now, there's probably a lot more. And there's millions of posts getting posted daily. There are literally millions of people online right now that are looking to start a blog. So what you want to do, guys, is do videos based on keywords. And I always tell people to do this: how to and best keywords. So the first one, guys, would be how to create a website, how to create a blog, how to start blogging, how to install WordPress. And there's an unlimited amount of keywords you can go for. Then we have things like best hosting for blogging, best hosting for WordPress, best hosting 2019, best places to host a website. If you've ever wanted to start a blog or a website, I guarantee you have probably put in these search terms into Google or YouTube yourself. Even I've done it when I've been looking for the best hosting deals online. So what you want to do, guys, is go out and create videos in these for these particular keywords. Now, you don't have to show your face, guys. That's the thing. Like this video here, the guy doesn't show his face. He's literally just comparing hosting platforms. So that's why I recommend you go and sign up to at least 3 hosting platforms and start to compare them against each other. And that's pretty much one of the best ways you can do this, which is what this guy has done, Digital Millionaire. And then we can go here. We've got best WordPress hosting. If we search that, guys, there's literally videos here, 169,000, 2,000. There's all of these videos, guys, where people are comparing hosting platforms. Then we have videos how to start a website, and this one has 4.1 million views. Now you might be asking yourself, but Franklin, how can I compete with all these people? How can I go and make money doing this? Well, that's a good question, and I actually get asked this question all the time. You know, I don't have subscribers. Guys, none of us had subscribers when we started. You need to just keep building content, and if you don't put in work, then how do you expect to get results? But what I do want to kind of explain to is how YouTube works. This video that's getting 4.1 million views, we can feed off that video, because when people go and watch this video, our video might show up in the right side column or somewhere getting suggested by this video, and we will start to get a little trickle of views from these bigger videos, guys. That's what I mainly go for when I do my content. Just because we are a small channel when you're starting and you have 0 subscribers doesn't mean you can go out there and not build. In fact, my partner, she built a channel from 0 to 500 subscribers in about a month by using this strategy, by going and feeding off other websites. And that's what I recommend you do, is just go and do videos based on how to start a website, how to start a blog, how to install WordPress, all that sort of stuff. And then you can be like this guy here, who actually built out a channel based on WordPress hosting and stuff like that. Then you can build this business online promoting these hosting platforms, because everybody needs websites, guys. I have probably 30 or 40 websites myself. I have to pay people to host those websites, so someone might as well get a commission from me. And you've got to remember that there's millions of people every single month starting blogs online. And actually, hosting is one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. You go and get a commission by promoting those products. So how much can you actually make from this, guys? Let's just go over that a little bit. So it all really starts to add up quite quickly. So with Bluehost, you can get $65 per sign up. With SiteGround, you get $50 per sign up. With iPage, you can get $65 per sign up, or $150 if they upgrade to the next level. So if you're going out there and you're doing videos comparing these 3 platforms or more platforms, and you're doing videos on how to create a blog, how to create a website, how to start WordPress and stuff like that, it soon starts to add up, guys, and it'll be really slow at the start, and then you'll be like, okay, oh, I got $65, oh, I got $50, and it really starts to build and snowball with the more content you put out, like what these guys have done. Well, this guy especially, Website Learners, he's obviously just gone out there, guys, and started to build this amazing channel. Well, look at this. He doesn't even have that many videos, but I guarantee you he's probably making deep 6 figures per year. I'll be surprised. I mean, he's probably making $500,000 per year, because I do know that these videos do very well in this particular niche. Now, that's one traffic source, guys, you can leverage, and that's YouTube. It's completely free. You don't need to show your face on the videos. But there's actually another place where you can use free traffic to your advantage, and you can go out and get people to view your videos and stuff like that. So once you've kind of signed up, guys, like here's an example of the stuff that I've done here. You can see, and I'm getting the commissions. Once you've signed up and you go and create content based on these keywords, and you go and put your YouTube videos out, you can actually go and give your videos a boost by going to a website called Cura.com. Okay, and on this website, guys, people are asking questions, and you can offer an answer if it helps them in return and gives them value, and then they might go and sign up via your link. So here's an example. If I go to Cura.com and I put in best web hosting, okay, and I click it. What's the best web hosting to use? Which is the best and reasonable web hosting? What's the best web hosting? These are people who are asking questions, guys, based on web hosting. So you can answer this question, and don't put your affiliate link in there, but you can answer this question and link back to the video that you just made on YouTube. Okay, and guys, I do this all the time. If we go to my profile, you'll see that I do this all the time. I link back to my videos. I go out and provide people value, and then when people go and click the link in the description, I get commissions. Okay, so you can use Cura.com to go out there and answer questions based on web hosting and go and link to your video, and then people can go into the description and click the affiliate links. Now, how do you sign up as an affiliate, guys? That's really simple. Go back to whatever Bluehost, SiteGround, and just scroll to the bottom, guys, and click affiliate. 99% of websites will have an affiliate link at the bottom, and that's how you sign up to be an affiliate, guys, and go out and promote these particular products so you can go and make money online. Now, if you want to know more strategies, guys, on how to make money online, I will leave some videos up on the screen. Click those videos or the playlist, and it is completely free training showing you how to start an affiliate marketing business online from scratch. And don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys, drop a like on this video if it helped you understand how to make money, and I'll see you on the next video.